Hi everyone. So for most of you with a Toyota Corolla model year 2014 to 2016, you might already encounter this problem, which is the touchscreen on the radio have a dead zone and on the bottom left corner. So as you can see, if I try to press 7550, the channel number 6, I cannot actually get that. It just clicks on channel number 5. And also, if I press here, it doesn't give any response. So today, my video will be about changing this touchscreen panel. And without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so in order to get to the radio, first we have to remove this piece of panel, which is fairly easy to do. So you start with this corner. Just put your fingers underneath and just pull on it. Okay. So it's held together with just a couple of clips and also. So once you get this side out, you slowly work your way towards the driver's side. Okay, so I got it out. And there are two cables. This one for the airbag, passenger airbag. So there's a tab here. Just release it. Okay. And the other one for the hazard lights. Again, a tab here. Just release it. Press on it and pull. And you have the whole panel off. So to remove the radio, the radio unit is held by 4 bolts, 4 10mm bolts. So you want to remove these 4 bolts over here at the corners and have the radio removed. After removing all 4 bolts, pull the radio unit out and you will see all these cables behind. Pull on the tab and release all of them so you can free the radio unit. Alright, so now I have my radio unit out. The first thing I would like to do is to remove these brackets over here. They're held to the unit by 3 8mm bolts on each side. So have them removed first, so it's more easy for you to work on the radio unit. So after removing the brackets on the side, flip the unit over and you'll see a cover back here held on by 3 screws. 3 very tiny screws. Open them. And that will give you access to these 2 ribbons right here. So what you want to do is to release these ribbons right here. These ribbons are connecting this processing unit to the screen. So what we are going to do is to take out this black part of the plastic, so that we have access to the touchscreen panel at the front. Next, you want to remove these two other screws as well. Alright, so after removing these two screws right here, these small screws that is holding this module that's attached to the screen, what you want to do is to release these tabs. These tabs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on each side, front and back. And there's two more tabs at the side here. So what I would recommend is to work from the bottom, the side bottom. Release this first tab and move your way across to this side. Once you release the bottom part, then it will be much easier for you to continue on to the front, to the top. And once you release, here is how it looks like. The whole screen pops right off. There you have it, the screen and the processing unit, CPU. Alright, once you have the screen off, turn it over to the back. You have to release more ribbons. There's about one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release these 6 ribbons so that the center part here, which is holding the screen to this plastic molding. So have them release. Once you release the ribbons, the screen is held on by these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, unscrew these 4 screws will give you access to the touchscreen panel. Alright, so I've released all 4 screws and now I have access to the touchscreen in the front here. So very slowly release these 4 tabs at each corner. Here's the first one, 1. Here's the second, the third. Alright, there's three tabs. Just release them real carefully because you do not want to damage any of these ribbons. And here you have, this is the display screen, and this is a older technology as the touch panel, which is this one that we are changing today, and the screen is separate. The newer technologies have the touch panel and the screen in one unit. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure, but this is what I read online. So what is giving us the dead bottom left corner is actually this screen, this touch screen. So once we get into here, we want to take it out from this holder. Alright, so I have disassembled the radio unit for the 2014 Corolla. So here, this is the broken touchscreen on my Corolla radio unit, and here's the one that I've ordered. So they're pretty similar in size. This is a 6-inch touchscreen with 12 pin ribbon. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this, and we'll see if it fixes the problem. Alright, so I have the replacement touch screen panel replaced. This is the old one, and this is the new one here. So it fits perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything. Okay, so I have the new touchscreen panel, the screen, and also this processing unit all fixed back together and reattached to the plastic molding at the front, and securing these 4 screws. And next, I will want to put back the 4 ribbons that I've released earlier, and reassemble the whole unit to this CPU. Alright, so I have the whole unit reinstalled with the brand new touchscreen panel installed. So let's put it back in the vehicle and see how it goes. Alright, so I have the cables all hooked up, and I've put it back in to where the radio unit's supposed to be. So, moment of truth. The system is rebooting. That beep is the progressive snapshot that I'm enrolled in. It's pretty annoying. Well, it started up. Now let's see if the touchscreen works. Okay, so for the bottom right corner, it's working fine. Now let's go to the other parts. FM looks fine. So earlier, my touchscreen panel wasn't working at this bottom left corner. So let's see. Well, it works now. So, and thank you for watching. So I hope this can help you solve your problem with your radio. And yep, please give a like if my video actually helped you, and also comments are welcome, and thank you very much.